Hello and welcome to Goa 365's news bulletin with me, Eden Fernandez. The Minister of Forest and Environment has directed the two coal handling companies to install continuous air quality monitoring systems in Murmugaon Taluka and also to ensure that all precautionary measures were adopted to stop coal pollution.
The Minister on Thursday inspected two coal handling plants of Jindal Southwest Port Limited and Adani coal handling plants at Murmugaon Port in the presence of Power Minister Milind Naik, the Chairman of Goa State Pollution Control Board Dr. Jose Manuel Narona, Murmugaon Municipal Council Chairperson Bhavla Bhosle and others.
आमकां सांगले की आपल्या घरांनी कर्टन्स दोये आसा ते ब्लॅक झालेले आसा. And after that, the Pollution Control Board, Goa State Pollution Control Board, went ahead and had several meetings with the authorities, and there is no denying that the level of pollution went down drastically. And this is also being admitted by the public. Now, it could happen that over the period, sometimes authorities also get slack. So, we'll pull them up and ensure that they maintain they are well within and much below the permissible level.
Minister Alina Saldana has decided to review the measures adopted by the companies along with the officials of the GSPCB and other authorities on the 12th of February. Few years back, the GSPCB had stopped all coal and coke handling operations at berth number 10 and 11, stating that no adequate measures were taken to control pollution. The GSPCB has also revoked the consent to the plants to operate as they were causing air pollution in Vasco Town. The order was issued under the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1981 and Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974.
वास्को में जो कोल पोल्यूशन जो हो रहा है, हम लोग ऑलरेडी whatever readings are there, we are displaying at Chikalium Circle. All that awareness is being given to the public. But I'm not saying that the pollution is because of only our operations at JSW, Southwest Port Limited, and we have another place also where coal is being handled. So it has to be really seen where exactly the pollution is high, and we need to bring the controlling measures. Never say that we are not a party to it, but we will take controlling measures.
Speaking to Goa 365, the GSPCB chairman said that besides directing the companies to install air monitoring stations, they had also directed the companies to construct a wind-breaking wall and to install sprinklers.
For us, it is more the fugitive emission that not only here, but that goes on the road, on the highway. Like I said, now, madam will put new monitoring stations. We'll take readings because we have to take readings for 2 times in a week by the law. So we'll take on Tuesdays and Thursdays for maybe the next 4 weeks. And if there is fugitive emission beyond permissible limit, we'll act whatever is to be done. Also, we are like the Honorable Minister said, the presentation that they made or the application they made to the board at the time of obtaining the consent has got certain conditions laid out. We'll verify whether they are adhering to that or not. We'll come back here next Thursday and have a look.
Mr. Narona further said that the senior environment engineers would conduct inspection of the plants to verify if the companies had adhered to the instructions of the board.
On Thursday, we'll only review their presentations about what they have been doing in vis-a-vis
and
the
compare
consent.
it with what was given right at the start.
But we will have to monitor that first and see how it is.